Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Keyboard app on Android. So this is for the Android devices out there. All right, so your first step would be to download the Google Keyboard or the Gboard from Play Store. So once you've downloaded it, click on open, enable it in settings. So we're going to be using this instead of my default Samsung keyboard. Turn on this and click on OK, and then at the default section select Google Keyboard and done. All right, so done. All right, welcome to your Google Keyboard. Let's go ahead and make use of a messaging app. All right, so once you've selected the Google Keyboard, you can have a look at the toolbar, which includes stickers. We have GIF, we have the clipboard, we have the settings panel. All right, now if you were to click on the settings bar, you're taken to where you can set your language, preference, theme, the auto correction, glide typing, voice typing, clipboard, dictionary, emojis, and also sharing. I'm going to be going through all of them. So for the language section, this basically shows your language. You could have it handwritten. You could change the initials of your Google Keyboard. Instead of QWERTY UI, it could be QWERTZ, that's with a Z instead of a Y in between the T and U, as you can see it here. You could also add other keyboards from other languages. In my country, we have other local languages like Hausa, Efik, and other languages such as that. So I'm going to be going with English Nigeria. It's not a multilingual language, so you can turn on multilingual typing. So let's go ahead and cancel this and add French. So let's go with French from France. It has multilingual tapping. We also have enable dynamic diacritic key. You could turn this on and off, so I'm going to leave it off for now. So click on add. So we now have two keyboards. And for personal preferences, you could have numbers. You could have them show in your layout. You could also have the emoji switch key. You could also have the language switch key. So it can only be one key enabled at a time. All right. So we also have one-handed mode and sound press and haptic keyback, as well as you can set your vibration strength on your keypad. So I'll leave it at default. And we have long press for symbols, so I'll keep that turned on. Now, if you were to head back to themes, with themes, you could easily use one of the set themes between light mode and dark mode. You could apply this. You could also use a default white mode theme. You could go through the colors, landscapes, gradients. The gradients are pretty cool. We could have one of these enabled, and you've applied that. Now, my favorite is when you have the My Theme option. So if you click on My Theme and simply select the theme you'd like to use, let's go ahead and make use of an image for a theme. All right. Now, all you need to do is just highlight what you want to use and simply click on Next. I'd suggest you keep the brightness a bit low or at 50%. Now click on Done, and boom, this is what it's going to look like. So click on Apply, and if you were to head back to your type, you'd find your key. Now France is installed. Tap here to switch languages. All right, so in order to switch your language, I forgot to show you this. Press and hold on the space bar, and you can switch between your US English and your French. And you can also select another keyboard as well. So that's it. Let's head back to the settings. We have text correction, which could block offensive words. We have suggest contacts, which would allow Google to access your contacts. So allow. We have next word suggestions. We have autocorrect. So you could turn that off. We have auto space after punctuations, double space periods, and other spelling mistakes you could have turned on. And if you scroll a bit more, you'd find the gliding, which could be used to send messages like yeah, that's what it does. And then if you head back to settings, we have voice typing, clipboard, and dictionary. Dictionary is really fun because with a personal dictionary, let's set it to English. So if you click on the plus and type in a word. Basically, if I type in YOLO, it shows you only live once. Now, if you were to come on and type in, as you can see here, the option is here, you only live once. There's some other options here, like the floating keyboard option. We have the one-hand mode. We have text editing. We have resize, emojis. If you click on the emoji panel, you can get some of the Google emojis that are widely available on many devices. I haven't used any emojis, so you can't see my recent emojis. Here you go. There's also the Google stickers as well. One more thing, if you head to the settings option and click on voice typing and select the voice typing option, you could use your voice to type. You could also make use of the clipboard, which can be used to save recent screenshots. So let's just allow that. And if you head back to the clipboard icon is this icon here that I'm holding and highlighting. So if you click on the clipboard, you could make use of your clipboard. So let's turn it on, copy. If you head to clipboard, you'd find it here. And you could also press and hold to pin. All right, that's how you can make use of the Google keyboard. Comment down below if you have a question concerning this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.